Welcome back. Welcome to day 11 of gratitude journaling. So, I have been going through all of my amazing Happy Mail that I've received. You guys, I've been getting Happy Mail for a few years now since I've had this YouTube channel, and I've gotten some amazing things. And sadly, I have not used them all. So, I'm going to use some of them in this journaling page. And some of these came from our friend Carehart. And she's so awesome. She sent me the most amazing flowish style journal, and I'm going to use them in this. So in my meditation today, I have to tell you, today is 11/11, and I had the most amazing meditation. It was so clear, and it was one of those meditations where you're in the middle of it, and you just want it to continue. One where you sort of lose all track of time, which I love. So, after my lovely meditation, and I don't know, for those of you that know me or don't know me, I try to meditate every day. And I have a wonderful partner, and he meditates with me, or we try to meditate together. It's just a nice practice, a nice ritual to have. And talking about, or after our meditation, both of us had an incredibly blissful meditation. We were talking about how enjoyable it is to have someone's company that can really see you. Someone that can really see you, and not just in the I see you, oh, you're so beautiful kind of way, but I see you, I see who you are. And he's always been that for me, and I'm always grateful for that. And he said, he felt like for the first time when we got together, and we've been together for about, 10 years, that he felt like he was seen for the first time, and what that felt like. And, I have to say, I've been very fortunate in my life. My parents were just always very loving and caring, and I feel like they always saw me. They always saw who I was, and always encouraged me, even though I was maybe different than the average person. They just encouraged me. There was never any discouragement there. My parents encouraged me. I don't know exactly how this little collage is going to look, but I just like the colors and the bits and the pieces, and it kind of went along with how I felt today. So I wanted to journal a little bit about being seen, and a little bit about being seen to yourself. Because I think the whole game, or the whole idea in this life is not just being seen by others, but being seen by yourself, and being good with what you see. I mean, I think so many times we've programmed ourselves with critical thoughts and critical, I'm not this, I'm not that, I'm not pretty, I'm too thin, I'm too fat, I'm too whatever, too old, too whatever, like whatever ridiculousness that we program ourselves with, and we do. And you guys know we do. I think being seen first and foremost by yourself to yourself is like huge. That's, I don't know anybody who doesn't yearn to have that feeling of feeling appreciated and being seen. I don't even know if I'm going to add this. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just leave it like it is. And so, I don't know. It just felt like having that conversation just brought me to being grateful, and to being in a relationship with somebody that sees me, and being in a relationship with somebody that I enjoy. I enjoy his company so much. I feel so lucky, and I have a really nice time every time we're together. Now, granted, we both have sort of busy lives and working and children and that sort of thing. So we don't. It's not always the focus. Isn't always the opportunity to just be with each other. It's usually being with each other with other people, namely our kids, right? But I am grateful for. I'm grateful that he sees me, and I'm grateful that I see him, and I'm grateful that he honors who I am and I honor who he is without trying to change him. Like, hello, I love you, now change. You know what I mean? Many of us have that. Um, I remember the most vivid time that I felt seen as a child was through the eyes of my grandmother, through the eyes of love. It was like her eyes would light up when she would see me, and it made me feel extraordinary. And I can remember just the way she looked at me, being seen through these eyes of unconditional love. So today, I want to honor being seen through the eyes of unconditional love. And I want to take a moment with all of you. So let's sit here for just a moment. And really take in what it means to be seen by yourself first and foremost. Because when you can see yourself, then the reflection that others see in you is just it's extraordinary, right? It's amazing. So let me see. Thank you guys for that. All right, today's journal post, being seen. Looking through the eyes of love, being seen by my own eyes is a gift. I grow every day to see myself more clearly through the loving eyes of infinite possibility. Thank you guys for joining me today. I wish you so much love on this beautiful 11th day of the 11th month. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Thank you for being on this journey with me, for being my peeps, being in my tribe. Thank you. And as always, from my heart to your heart, I'm sending you so much aloha. Take care until tomorrow.